starting today is direct variation. We're going to go at this at a very fast pace. So we're talking about direct variation and inverse variation. So direct variation is a specific relationship in which there is a constant ratio. So it's a ratio. Remember, a ratio that kind of looks like a fraction? It's where you have your y value divided by your x. So y divided by x. And direct variation equations are written in the form y equals k times x. So k is called your constant. Now you would think constant, since it starts with a c, it would be labeled c, but it's labeled k just because they're weird. I don't know why. But yeah, so the constant is k, and that just means what is constantly, basically your slope, what is constantly moving by. So, it says, the constant k. Identify the constant of the order pairs below, then write the equation to represent the relationship. So the constant is if our ratio, our y value divided by our x equals k. So our y value divided by our x equals k. Well, what is 4 divided by 1?
4.
4. So that means our k equals 4. So in this case, we would have y equals k times x. What's our k? 4. So just be y equals 4x, and that's our answer. That's literally all you do.
What about all the other numbers?
Well, think about it. So that's a good question, Seth. So to find our constant, we do our y divided by our x. What's 4 divided by 1?
4.
What's 8 divided by 2?
4.
What's 12 divided by 3?
4.
16 divided by 4?
4.
So all those are 4. So that's how you know. So you could choose literally any order pair you want.
Is it like that with all the questions?
Exactly, yeah. So number 2, to figure out our k, we're going to do our y divided by our x. The only one you cannot choose on number 2 is 0, 0. Because what's 0 divided by 0? 0. So let's do let's do 3 divided by negative 6. What does that reduce down to? Negative 1 over 2, good. And if you think about it, what's 12 over negative 4 reduced down to? Negative 1/2. What does negative 1/2? Well, that negative 1/2 is negative 1/2. So that doesn't reduce any. So how are we going to write our equation for this one?
Y equals negative 1/2 x.
Y equals negative 1/2 x. That's literally all you do for this. It's that simple.
Yeah.
The big thing with this is do not choose 0, 0. You could choose any of the other ordered pairs, just do not choose 0, 0.
Yeah.
So why don't y'all try 3 and 4 on your own, and then we'll check them together.
Wait, isn't one supposed to help you?